Hey, it's Doug from Doug and Niki, your luxury travel resource and new RVers. So today we're going to do an unboxing of these Emmett Ever 24 volt LEDs, which are full of all kinds of cool options and techniques. I think they'll be really cool to do some nice modifications to the RV here. In this video, I'm going to open them up, show you the basics of what comes in the package, and then I'm going to show you 3 different ways which I think you could really do some nice accent lights in your trailer. Let's open this up and see what comes in the box. Okay, we got the LEDs themselves, power supply, some fasteners, a wipe, some double-sided foam tape for mounting. Let's see what's in here. And in here we have the controller and power supply. Very nice. Let's try it out. Wow, here's the user guide. There are a lot of functions on it, so instead of me pretending I memorized it, let me just read them off because it's really interesting. You have an auto setting where the colors alternate on their own and fade. 20 dynamic mode, which means they're all different kinds of modes and settings. You just go through 20 different dynamic modes there. There's a speed where you can adjust up and down how fast they flash or change colors. There's a music mode where the mode changes with the rhythm of the music, which is so cool. I can't wait to try that. There's a turn, obviously you turn it on, turn it off. There's a brightness, you can turn it up, turn it down. There's a static mode, you pick the color, it stays in that mode. And then there's a lock mode where you just kind of lock in your last mode, so when you turn it on again, it starts right there. There's also a QR code. Take the QR code and it'll download the app, which hooks up via Bluetooth, which should be so cool. Okay, let's do some YouTube housekeeping. Number 1, have you hit that like button yet? Gotta hit that like button. Number 2, this video is not sponsored, but I will say they did supply this set for us to try out, but I'm a little bit of an LED addict from Amazon, and there are 100,000 different generic versions of this. We're gonna try this one, and if you like it, go buy it from them. They're not paying me to like it or anything like that. If they want to, you can look up my contact information and I will think about it. Let's plug it in, see what happens. Plug it in. Now with all these LEDs, you will see there is always a indicator. So you only plug them in one way the right way. You just match up the 2 lines. Da-da-da. See what happens. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. Oh, look at it. It changes as I talk. Okay, I take it back. This is cool as... Oh, I am very happy. I don't even want to do anything else with it. This is making me very, very happy. Alright, but let's press some buttons so you can see. Change the mode where, just pulses. You can change the speed. You can make it go faster. You can make it go slower. You can make it brighter or dimmer. You can choose the color. Hello. Oh, this is so cool! Okay, are there any other children out there who find this as entertaining as I do? Please comment below, because this is just the most fun I've had in a very long time. I love it. Alright, I am back. Let's try these cool lights again with music that I won't get a copyright strike from. Let's try it. Let's see what it looks like. This is making me very, very happy. I just think that's so cool. I'm gonna have to buy more of these. Okay. What do you say now? Let's do a couple simple temporary installs. I have 3 really good ideas for projects, which these will be amazing for in the trailer as accent lights. We're just going to do a rough draft with command strips, see what they look like, and then you guys comment below which one I should do a permanent install in. But here are 3 really good ideas that you should try if you want to install these cool accent lights in your trailer. And you will drive your wife nuts with them flashing like this, but I am going to have so much fun doing that. Alright, so here's option 1. Obviously I just did a quick and dirty version just to see what it'll look like, but I think it looks pretty darn cool. You know, if you put them underneath the cabinet here, should look pretty neat. Let's see if we change the function a little bit. Alright, so this is obviously the random function. Let's try rave. Yes! Okay. Rave in the trailer. Niki will love this. I am so doing this to her. Okay, quick option number 2 is the over and around the slide, which I have to say looks really kind of cool. As an accent light, I am really liking that. Let's try it as a rave light. Let's see how that looks. Okay, here we are post-COVID at Doug and Niki's trailer. This is really fun. I don't know. I'm liking that. Who's coming to the party? Here we are with option number 3, the timeless, and some might even say tasteful, behind the TV accent lighting in blue, and obviously we could change all the colors, but who wants to be tasteful? Let's do the non-tasteful version. That's more like it. Gang. Really, am I nuts, guys? Comment below. This just makes me so happy, the whole music thing. Alright, so at this point I am done with 1, 2, 3 installation variants. Let me know which one you like better. You've seen the product, you've seen me unbox it, how it works. I think it's pretty darn cool. Make sure you throw us that like, and if you want, at the end of this screen there will be other options of videos which might be interesting to you. Check them out. We do all kinds of installs and reviews, and if you want to go on a first class flight, we'll have a flight review for that too.